Yeah, us too. Especially when it comes to platforms like Kraken, a giant in the crypto exchange game. You hear all this buzz, but then you hit that deposit screen and crickets. Minimum deposit amount? Nowhere to be found. Frustrating, right? Well, fret no more, crypto-curious comrades. Because today, we're cracking the Kraken code and diving deep into those minimum deposit mysteries. Let's unpack this whole minimum deposit thing, what it means for you, and how to navigate Kraken like a seasoned pro. First things first, why do these minimum deposit amounts even exist? It all boils down to efficiency and security for the exchange. Kraken, like any business, has operational costs. Processing a tiny, 5-cent deposit is a lot of work for very little return. Minimums help them keep things running smoothly. Security also plays a big role. Tiny deposits can be a red flag for suspicious activity. By setting minimums, Kraken discourages money laundering or other malicious shenanigans. Now, the real question, how much are we talking about here? Buckle up, because the answer depends on what kind of deposit you're making. Funding your Kraken account with good old cash? Here's the breakdown. ACH transfer, USA only. This is your most budget-friendly option, with a minimum deposit of just $1. That's practically couch cushion money. Just be aware, there's a 7-day withdrawal hold on your first ACH purchase for security reasons. Wire transfer, feeling fancy? Wire transfers are a bit steeper at $10 minimum, but the funds hit your account faster, usually within 1 business day. No withdrawal hold on this option either. Hold on, what if I want to deposit crypto instead of cash? Smart thinking. Kraken supports a whole buffet of cryptocurrencies, and the minimum deposit for each one varies. Most deposits are free, but some have minimums in place to prevent accidental loss. Here's a quick example. For Ethereum, ETH, the minimum deposit is a tiny 0.00001 ETH. That's a fraction of a penny's worth, practically negligible. But for something like Augur, REP, the minimum jumps to 0.05 REP. The best way to find the exact minimum deposit for your chosen crypto? Head over to Kraken's handy-dandy support page, support.kraken.com. They have a whole list with all the minimums neatly laid out, so you can plan your crypto shopping spree accordingly. All right, I got the minimums. But are there any other catches I should be aware of? Absolutely. Here are some bonus tips to make your Kraken experience smooth sailing. Double-check that deposit address. Sending crypto to the wrong address is like accidentally mailing a birthday card to your ex. It's gone forever. Take your time, copy and paste carefully. Keep an eye on those fees. While minimum deposits might be low, some deposit methods do have transaction fees attached. Factor those in before you hit send. Verification matters. Kraken has different verification levels, and some features, like higher deposit limits, might be locked until you reach a certain level. Get verified to unlock your full Kraken potential. So, there you have it. The minimum deposit on Kraken, demystified. Remember, these minimums are there to keep things running smoothly and securely. With a little planning and these handy tips, you'll be navigating Kraken like a crypto pro in no time. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy crypto exploring.